Welcome back to our Singapore walking tour. In part 2, we're stepping inside the two largest columnless glass houses in the world, the Flower Dome and the Cloud Forest. First, we enter the Cloud Forest. This cool, moist conservatory replicates the tropical highlands of the world, centered around a breathtaking 35-meter-tall mountain. The thundering waterfall is not just for show. It maintains the high humidity and cool temperatures needed for these rare plants to thrive. Ascending to the top, we walk among the clouds on these high-altitude walkways, surrounded by rare epiphytes and orchids. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. At the very top, we find the Lost World, a plateau featuring ancient plants that have survived for millions of years. Deep within the mountain's base lies the Secret Garden, a lush sanctuary showcasing a diverse collection of limestone forest plants. Now we transition to the Flower Dome. Replicating the cool, dry Mediterranean climate, this dome holds the record for the largest glass greenhouse in the world. Stroll through the olive grove, where ancient trees, some over 1,000 years old, stand alongside exotic plants from the Mediterranean and semi-arid regions. The center of the dome features a rotating floral display that changes with the seasons, from blooming tulips in spring to festive poinsettias in winter. From the Mediterranean, we travel to the Australian garden, home to the bizarre grass trees and bright kangaroo paws. It's a true celebration of nature's diversity, with flowers and plants from 5 different continents under one massive roof. Next door, the South African garden greets us with a vibrant explosion of proteas and aloes, flourishing in the perpetual spring. The engineering here is just as impressive as the botany. These domes are designed to stay cool using sustainable energy without a single internal pillar. Don't miss the Orchid Haven, a dedicated space celebrating Singapore's national flower and its rich history of orchid hybridization. From the strange baobab trees to the intricate patterns of desert succulents, every corner of this dome tells a story of survival and beauty. As the sun begins to set, the real magic starts to happen back out in the gardens. We're heading there next. In part 3, we'll experience the spectacular night show. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. The dragon trees, with their spiky crowns, are a highlight of the succulent garden, standing as silent sentinels of the dome.